Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing GitLab Runner and confirming the service is active. This gets you into action immediately. Next, open your project or group settings and copy the registration token. You'll need it in the next command. Once done, pick an executor type, Shell for simplicity or Docker for isolation, and verify the runtime is present on the host so registration won't fail. You now run GitLab Runner register and enter your GitLab URL, token, a descriptive name, and tags to target jobs. When choosing Docker, provide the default image and mount volumes for cache or Docker socket if needed. Set privileged mode only when required. After registration, open config. Toml to tune concurrency, cache settings, and runner-specific options so your CI jobs run efficiently and predictably. You finish by validating the runner shows as active in GitLab and triggering a basic pipeline to confirm connectivity. If jobs fail, inspect the runner logs via journoctl or the runner log file to identify permissions or image errors. Make sure the token and URL are correct, and if necessary, re-register the runner. Adjusting executor settings or file system permissions usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.